Welcome to the Android channel, and this is the Android news for Monday, September 3rd, 2018. And today in our Android news bulletin, we have Google that, we talked about how they were releasing Wear OS, which is their variant of the operating system for watches and IoT devices. Well, one of the things that we thought was also that they'd release a watch this year, but in a surprise turn of events, it seems that nope, Google will not be actually releasing a watch this year. It's not going to be before 2019. Google Chrome web browser is 10 years old. It was on September 2nd, 2008 that basically a Windows-only beta app grew over time and over the years to have become the major browser of the market for every platform, desktop or mobile. This is very interesting how, I still remember that as a tech guy, some people were actually looking at Chrome and it was, very, very little used at the beginning, and how it grew into something major now. Many manufacturers have actually shown off mid to high-end Chromebooks at IFA and at IFA, and of course, many are wondering if this could be a danger for the Microsoft ecosystem in the coming years. It seems that Chromebooks is coming more and more out of the education market and kind of stepping into the consumer market. Android versions for the month of August are out, and of course we will have a look at this today on this channel because it's the place for that. Now, Android Pie not making the cut, of course, because, let's face it, was released late in the month. It was also something that will take time to actually take a foothold, and also means that less than 0.1% of devices are on Android 9 Pie right now. Well, the original Samsung Galaxy Note phone was announced 7 years ago. It was on September 1st, 2011, and it is regarded as being the most influential Android phone of all. Basically, the iPhone of Android, and it was bigger than all the other phones. It was something new, and it kind of changed the future of the smartphone market on the Android side. And another leak of what the Google Pixel XL 3 XL looks like. Well, it seems that a tester using a Lyft taxi car forgot it on the back seat. Now the driver returned the device, but of course, he took the time to take many pictures of it to show the world. And Google is cracking down on third-party tech support ads on its services. It noticed that the big increase in fake tech support scam ads and wants to make sure that it can crush them, as these are annoyances. So from now on, Google will actually have very little or almost none of tech support ads because of this problem. And this was the Android news for Monday, September 3rd, 2018. You enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.